Good morning, viewers. This is JNR. Now we learn 4p square plus q square equal to a square proof. First of all, statement. Once observe, if p and q are the lengths of the perpendiculars from the origin to the straight lines, x secant alpha plus y cosecant alpha equal to a, and x cos alpha minus y sin alpha equal to a cos 2 alpha, then prove that 4p square plus q square equal to a square. These two are straight lines. Given equations of the straight lines, given equations of the straight lines, x secant alpha plus y cosecant alpha equal to a, equation 1. Next, x cos alpha minus y sin alpha equal to x cos alpha minus y sin alpha equal to a cos 2 alpha, equation 2. Next, we find perpendicular distance, length of the perpendicular means perpendicular distance. P is the perpendicular distance from origin to the straight line 1. So P equal to perpendicular distance from origin to equation 1. Perpendicular distance from origin to equation 1. So perpendicular distance from origin to the straight line, what is the formula? Mod c by root of a square plus b square. First one, this one compared to ax plus by equal to c. A is secant alpha, b is cosecant alpha, c is a. Mod c is a, mod a by root of a square. A is secant alpha, a square, secant square alpha plus b square, b cosecant alpha, cosecant square alpha. Mod a by root of a square plus b square, secant square alpha plus cosecant square alpha, that equal to mod a is a by square root of secant alpha. Secant means 1 by cos. Secant square alpha means 1 by cos square alpha plus cosecant square alpha. Cosecant means 1 by sin. Cosecant square alpha 1 by sin square alpha. 1 by sin square alpha. Now we write that equal to a by, now we take LCM, square root of cos square alpha into sin square alpha. Now we take LCM cos square alpha into sin square alpha. By using cross multiplication, 1 into sin square alpha plus 1 into cos square alpha, that equal to a by square root of sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, that value is 1 by cos square alpha sin square alpha. Now we write cos square alpha sin square alpha. This is P. This is the P value. Now we find P square. P square equal to squaring on both sides. This is the P value of P. Squaring on both sides, p square equal to a square by root of 1 by cos square alpha sin square alpha whole square. Now square root is cancelled. That equal to p square equal to a square by a square 1 by cos square alpha into sin square alpha. Now we take this fraction denominator to numerator. Now I write reciprocal a square into cos square alpha sin square alpha. Cos square alpha sin square alpha. This is equation 1. This is the equation 1, no 2 is there. And now no need to equation. Already p is there, p square value. This is the p square value. Next we find q. Q equal to, what is the q? Perpendicular distance from origin to the straight line 2. Q equal to perpendicular distance from origin to equation 2. And I write that equal to equation 2 is this one. Now compare to ax plus by plus c equal to c. Ax plus by equal to c. So a is cos alpha, b equal to minus sin alpha, c equal to cos 2 alpha. Mod c equal to a cos 2 alpha. Mod c, modulus of a cos 2 alpha by square root of a square. A is cos alpha, a square cos square alpha plus b is minus sin alpha whole square, that equal to modulus of a cos 2 alpha is a cos 2 alpha by square root of cos square alpha plus minus whole square means plus sin square alpha. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, that equal to a cos 2 alpha by root of sin square alpha plus cos square alpha value is 1. Root 1 value is 1. That equal to q equal to a cos 2 alpha. P value, p square value is a square cos square alpha sin square alpha. Next, now we find q square also. Q equal to a cos 2 alpha. Squaring on both sides, q square equal to a cos 2 alpha whole square. A square into cos square 2 alpha. Q square equal to a square into cos square 2 alpha. Next we find 4p square. Next we prove that 4p square plus q square equal to a square. 4p square plus q square equal to 4 into p square. What is the p square value? A square into cos square alpha sin square alpha. A square into cos square alpha sin square alpha plus q square. Q square equal to a square cos square 2 alpha. A square cos square 2 alpha. A square cos square 2 alpha. Next we write this one. Now interchange these two. A square into 4 into cos square 2 alpha, cos square alpha sin square alpha. Interchange these two. A square into 4 into cos square alpha sin square alpha plus a square into cos square 2 alpha. Cos square 2 alpha. Next, now we take a square as common. A square into 4 sin cos square alpha sin square alpha. Now we write this one again 4 cos square alpha sin square alpha plus cos square 2 alpha. Cos square 2 alpha. That equal to a square into now we write 4 into cos square alpha sin square alpha. Now we write this one 4 we can write 2 square. Now 2 into cos square alpha means cos alpha whole square, sin square alpha is sin alpha whole square. Totally we can write this one 2 cos alpha sin alpha whole square. 2 cos alpha sin alpha whole square plus cos square 2 alpha. Cos square 2 alpha. That equal to a square into 2 sin alpha cos alpha. So 2 cos alpha sin alpha or 2 sin alpha cos alpha. What is the formula? Sin 2 alpha. Sin 2 alpha whole square means sin square 2 alpha plus cos square 2 alpha. 2 sin alpha cos alpha means sin 2 alpha. Sin 2 alpha whole square means sin square 2 alpha plus cos square 2 alpha. That equal to a square into generally sin square alpha plus cos square alpha equal to 1. Then only sin square 2 alpha plus cos square 2 alpha, that value is 1. A square into 1, that equal to a square. 4p square plus q square equal to a square. Therefore 4p square plus q square equal to a square. 4p square plus q square equal to a square. This is the proof. Once observe. Okay viewers, please like and share this video. Subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.